tornado warning.
Weather Service Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Moranville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar-sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Moranville and Carlettville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Forest, Pennsylvania. Weather Bulletin.